I've done this in the past and it hadn't turned out white. It turned out blonde. It turned out blonde with a little bit of highlights. It turned out blonde yellowish, but it never turned out evenly white. Hey guys, it's ITSCOLEMB and I'm back again with another video. And yeah, your girl went blonde. No, platinum blonde. If you guys want to know how I got this hair color, this hairstyle and everything, just stick around and just, you know, jump into the video. I'll catch you guys inside. So guys, I'm just gonna adjust the elastic band. I don't want it to be too tight because I'm not spending the whole day with it. I just have a regular cap, you know. My cap is literally rent, but you know, nobody's really seeing that girl, so I pull my cap back a bit and I just put it on to see how it would look. At first, there is a clip at the very back. There's also two clips on the sides here. So I went ahead and cut the excess lace. We look crazy right now, but don't you worry, honey, we're gonna fix her. It doesn't look too bad right now. You can see my foundation is peeking through, which is okay. The bad thing about blonde hair is the fact that it literally stains. So like even my gloss right now, I'm afraid. I'm just afraid for its life. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got2b spray and glue down the front part, and then on the sides here I'm just gonna put in the combs because there's no use of me gluing it down all the way. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do that. that my hairline is setting, I'm gonna go ahead. You can see the curls are bouncing, okay? The curls are curling. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of texturizer spray because I'm not really trying to disrupt the curl pattern, but I don't want it to look like grandma-ish. So I'm gonna start off with my hands and then see how I like it. I usually don't like it with my hands, but you know, you want to start off slowly. And then I have my handy dandy brush here that I can go in a little bit so that it gives me the loose, careless, you know, vibe. Now I am queen of like over brushing, and yeah, I am literally living for this color on my skin. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know how you guys like this color on my skin. Like, comment down below blonde if you love it. If you guys want to see me do like a different hairstyle with either this wig or a different blonde wig, let me know. You know, that's what the comment section is for. So now this has set for a bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. It doesn't matter what powder you use as long as it's like your skin powder. And then you're just gonna go ahead and tap it down at the very front here, but you don't want to like stain your hair too much because, you know, that's not the look we're going for. We're not going for like a dark root. We're just looking for it to blend a little bit more so that it looks like it came out of your scalp. And also sometimes when you do use the Got2b or whatever glue you use, it can leave it a bit shiny, and we're not looking for that. I honestly don't know about you, but I personally am living for this color on my skin. It still takes like a bit of adjustment to get used to it, and the hair is a little bit more on the thinner side, but most T-part wigs that I've tried have been so thin, like you need to add tracks to it, and it's like that's an extra work. Like like what do you want me to do? Buy a bundle and buy the wig? Like if you're gonna sell it, like I don't know, just make it thicker. This is supposed to be like a 150 density, I believe. I'll leave all the spec for this hair down below. If you're like me, or if you've tried before and it doesn't go as light as you want, like literally platinum, I'm gonna tell you guys that what you need is patience, because I've done this in the past and it hadn't turned out white. It turned out blonde. It turned out blonde with a little bit of highlights. It turned out blonde yellowish, but it never turned out evenly white. Now the secret to do this is literally patience. Patience, and go back and change your consistencies when it comes to the amount of water and the amount of purple dye or purple shampoo that you're gonna use, and that's the only way you're gonna get a perfect white blonde hair. Literally every time, I've done this 2 times, and both times I had to use an actual Wella toner or separate toner on top of me leaving it sit in the water because I was not patient. And now I learned my lesson. All you have to do is be patient, keep going back. Don't be afraid to go back and dunk the hair back into the same concussion that you mix until you get your color. That's the only way you're gonna get away with getting white hair without adding an actual toner. So yeah, let me know you guys how you guys like this, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.
You're twice.
You're so dirty. So what do you think? You think it's lingerie?
Yeah.
Why would you think that? Okay. Open. Turn it up.
Oh shit. Yes, that's the ticket forever. I approve. Holy.
It took me like, I had to like glue this whole thing on. Crazy.
You look good. Come here.
Okay, hold on.